Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror, smiled, and felt a sinking pit in your stomach when you noticed your gums pulling back, exposing more of your teeth? You're not alone, and many people have been there too. It can feel overwhelming, even scary. But what if I told you there's a way to regrow receding gums naturally, and it's not what you think? Stick around, because I'm about to share 3 shocking methods you can start using today that could transform your oral health and your confidence forever. And here's the kicker. The third one might just blow your mind. Ready to take control of your gum health? Let's dive in. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, let me say it, you're in the right place for empowering natural solutions to improve your health and well-being. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects so many people yet doesn't get the attention it deserves: receding gums. Why is this important? Because gum health isn't just about your teeth, it's about your overall health. Receding gums can lead to tooth sensitivity, damage, and even tooth loss if ignored. But the good news? There are steps you can take right now to regrow and rejuvenate them naturally. In today's episode, I'll walk you through 3 powerful, natural methods to help your gums heal fast. By the end of this podcast, you'll not only know how to take action but feel hopeful about your oral health journey. Let's jump into the first method. 1. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Our first shocking way is something people have been doing for centuries: oil pulling. Sounds unusual, right? But trust me, it works. Here's how it works. Coconut oil, which is naturally antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal, helps to clean your gums, reduce harmful bacteria, and create a healthy environment for regrowth. Just swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes daily, preferably first thing in the morning. This simple habit can help remove toxins and kickstart the healing process for receding gums. Now, I know you might be thinking, 20 minutes of swishing sounds like forever. But I promise you, if you do it while you're getting ready or scrolling through your phone, it'll become a routine before you know it. Alright, are you ready for the next tip? This one builds on your new oil-pulling habit. 2. Aloe Vera gel for healing. Number 2 is probably sitting in your kitchen or bathroom cabinet right now. Aloe Vera gel. Yes, that's right. The same soothing plant you use for sunburns can also heal your gums. Aloe vera has incredible anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that reduce gum inflammation and support tissue repair. Here's what you do. Take a small amount of pure aloe vera gel, make sure it's free from added chemicals, and gently massage it into your gums. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Do this twice a day. This technique is especially helpful if your gums feel swollen or irritated. And believe me, you'll feel that soothing relief almost immediately. But we're not done yet. The final method is a game changer. Stick with me because this is where things get really interesting. 3. Green tea rinse. Okay, number 3. You've probably heard how amazing green tea is for your body. Antioxidants, better heart health, glowing skin. But did you know it's also a secret weapon for regrowing gums? That's because green tea is loaded with catechins, a type of antioxidant that helps fight gum inflammation and boost gum tissue attachment to your teeth. Here's how to use it. Brew a cup of unsweetened green tea, let it cool down, and use it as a mouth rinse. Swish it around for 30 seconds after brushing your teeth. Do this once or twice a day, and you'll see incredible results over time. Not only will your gums thank you, but your teeth will feel stronger too. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as green tea can have such a powerful effect? But wait, before we wrap up, there's one mindset shift I want to share that ties all these steps together. Now, here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me and so many others. Healing your gums isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Small, natural habits practiced regularly can create powerful changes in your oral health over time. You don't have to spend a fortune, and you don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. And remember, regrowing your gums naturally isn't an overnight process, But with oil pulling, aloe vera, and green tea, you're setting a solid foundation for success. If you're still watching then, you are very serious for the solution, but finally give me the answer. Does your toothpaste have this ingredient? Every American must see this urgent video. Stanford scientists have recently made a shocking discovery. 95% of the toothpaste on the market contains a toxic substance, which is used to increase the shelf life of products. But it has a horrifying side effect that manufacturers don't want you to know. It leads to quick, irreversible tooth decay. See below link in the description for the list of toothpastes that contain this ingredient. You might be using one of them right now. These types of toothpaste cause irreversible tooth rotting. Just click link in the description and find the ingredients, and this breakthrough research has finally brought to light the real cause of all dental issues, also the unique method to get rid of it. Click link in the description and find all ingredients in the next 10 seconds. Check out the link and learn more.